trading, buying low and selling high, it's so good, it's so great. And then I thought that I'm gonna be a billionaire, you know.
Nice.
Hi guys, my name is Forever Looney, and today I would want to talk to you guys about investment. So I think one thing we should know about investment is, why are you buying it? What are you buying? And how are you gaining from it? So these 3 points. Why are you buying? What are you buying? And how are you gaining from it? For me, because I get into investment at around, I think, my second year of polytechnics. Back then when I talked to all these friends about investment, these people are the ones that will tell me, bro, it's okay man, I don't really have that much money, you know, right after national service, and we are all changed. Our boys to men. So we are all men now, we are responsible for our own income, and we are starting to plan for our futures and all these things. But before we start getting into this period, when I started my investment plan in my second year of polytechnic, what I did was, I didn't know about investment, and I didn't read up a lot. So back then, I think during that time, people are talking about Ethereum and blockchain. I mean, now it's still the trend, but of course, we tend to look at all these opportunities and then we started to dive ourselves in. This is wrong. This is gambling. This is betting. You don't gamble your money. Your money is something that you hard earn it, and it really belongs to you because you put in so much effort for it. You shouldn't bet it. You shouldn't, put it on all these things because you do not want to lose this money. Investment for me in simple term is, how are you going to put money to mine for more money? Let me give you a good example. If anybody go around and start playing games like Minecraft and all these things, you need an axe. You need an axe to get material from the ground, like cobblestone, going to getting diamonds, going to getting other things. So you need better axe for better equipment. But what is the axe made of? Cobblestone and a stick in arc, stone and a stick and parch. You use material to create material. So you have to know, money can create money. When I got into this investment, this blockchain and bitcoins, I know nothing. I thought that trading, buying low and selling high, it's so good, it's so great. And then I thought that I'm gonna be a billionaire, just by doing that. And I forgot about my e-coms shit. I started to chuck it aside. Before I even get into e-coms, I was investing into all these things. And that is why I only got a small little amount to start my e-coms business. Because I was going in headless, and then I just thought that, I'm gonna make billions of dollars by just buying low and selling high. I forgot about the other law. So when you go into it, you have to find out why you are buying it. So for me, why am I buying bitcoins? Is because I thought that, it's gonna be an investment plan and I want to have a secured future. So I invest my money into it. But then I didn't read up on it. So I got the why, but I failed to understand what am I investing in. So therefore I lost money. Within 1 month, I am losing 100 USD. And this is crazy because 100 USD back then, when we are working as a waiter or some other jobs doing part-time, maybe you are getting like $7 per hour or $8 per hour or more. This kind of money, it is not spendable. At the same time, 100 USD is around like maybe 120 to all the way to 140 USD, SGD, I'm sorry. So it's Singapore dollars. So when I was doing this investment, I didn't know what I was investing for. I just thought that I want to make money and I want it fast. So I go into investing it and then I lost money. And when I even put in effort to go and buy low and sell high, I am losing money. Why? So I went to check upon what is happening, why am I losing money, and that's when I know why. There is a platform fee, and then there is an admin fee, and then there is a transfer fee. So when I bought bitcoins, it was from one platform. I got to transfer this amount of bitcoins over. It cost me money. And then from that platform, when I was buying and selling, it costs another set of costs. So when I always talk to my friends and I always want to tell them how they should invest properly, and we shouldn't risk our money because we are at a young age. We are at the age where we are mining for money and we are running headlessly to bang into any walls to get money. And that is when we meet up with all these problems. Stay away from all this. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna tell you guys that I am not a financial advisor. I am not selling you anything. So do not take my words for it. Whatever I'm saying is for your reference. Whether you want to do it or not, it's up to you. But these things, I'm not gonna do it. Okay? So what I always tell my friend is, your guys gotta know why you are buying. Definitely people are just gonna tell you, I'm buying to invest my money to get more money. Or some people will just tell you, I just don't want my money to sit in the bank and do nothing and give me an annual income. So it's fine, Anybody, it's fine. You want to safeguard your money, it's fine. Don't listen to what other people say unless you really know what is happening in the market. Because if you do not know, then you'll be like me. Buying low, selling high, thought you are getting a profit. At the end of the day, you lose $100+. And that is crazy. Because how much I put in is how much I'm losing. So if I do not go and check out, if I do not go and rectify this issue, I will just keep on going around and just buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high at a daily basis. And then I'm going to lose even more money through the month. So first thing, when you are going into this market, you should know why you are buying, what you are buying, and then how you are gaining profit. So you see, the first 2 tries that I went in, it didn't fit this, and then I lost money. Then the second try, when I know how I'm supposed to gain, I start looking at, arbitraging, hedge trading, short term, long term, CFD, futures, margin, and all these things, all this application that I can use to aid myself to grow my income. But I'm only focusing on few because there is so much. I couldn't just do it like today there's dividend, today there's stocks, there's all these things, there's oil, there's gold, there's silver, and all these things coming in. You cannot buy everything because we have limited money. So I only put in money that I'm willing to lose in investment, and then I go into things that I read up about and things that I would want to go and read every day. I would always update myself on what the coins, what are the coins news, what are new, and what are the upcoming events that can help me grow these assets of mine into bigger assets, and all these things continue. So before you get into investment, please remember these 3 points. Why are you buying? What do you buy? At the same time, how are you gaining it? So these 3 are important. If not, you are really gonna lose money. When you are dealing with fund manager, you should always get a monthly report. You really have to understand what is happening in this monthly report. This is one reason why. Because stocks and everything else are not moving on a monthly basis. They go up, they go down. It's not on a monthly basis. They are going on a daily basis. Every hour, every minute, every second, they are moving in a different action. And that's why you have people that are plotting chart, and you get successful people that manage to go through all these things after years of practice. So for me, investment is another line of income, and it is something that I really want because I want to grow my income. Definitely everybody wants to grow their income. I can have a stable job, at the same time I have a sideline for all this income coming in. So this is all about this video, how I'm going into buying investment and how you should prepare yourself for this investment. So let me go through the few tips again. Why did you buy? What did you buy? And how do you gain from it? Although I got these 3 main points, I still want to tell you guys another one more. So this is the 4th one. The 4th one is, what are the fees you are required to pay? Is it monthly? Is it daily? Or is it yearly? You have to know, is it one time, monthly, or daily, or yearly? So you should know all these fees are coming in, that's how you get your profit and all those things coming in. So when you are starting to plan out your investment plan now, I think all these things is ready to get you there. Let me just repeat one last time before I get off, because I want your guys to be clear. 1. Why do you buy? 2. What do you buy? 3. How do you profit from it? And 4. What are the fees you are required to pay? So once you have all these 4 guidelines, I think you are ready. Please research on whatever that you are investing before you go in, and only invest on what you are willing to lose, because there is no sure win and no sure lose in investment. I am not a financial advisor, nor am I selling you any services, nor am I selling you any information about all these stocks and all these things. It is up to you whether you want an investment plan or not. Hey, hi guys, my name is Prabal Looney. Thank you so much for watching this video, alright? If you feel that you enjoy this video, okay, please do me a favor by liking and subscribing to my channel, okay? Share with your friends on Facebook, I'm gonna put out all these videos, every social media accounts that I have, alright? Like this video, share with your friends. I hope that you guys can actually find a direction in your life. If you want to be happy, just be happy. I'll see you guys on the next video.